Hi, this is Paul. I'm live here from Changhua, reporting on pollution. Here we have today water pollution. A lot of garbage and trash that has been thrown into the river. There you can have a look. Here we have water pollution. A lot of garbage, trash, black plastic bags, foam boxes, and it's creating water pollution. So please, people, stop pollution and save the world. This is Paul signing up for Changhua News. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I am live from Shengang. I am reporting about land pollution. Here you can see garbage. It was caused by littering. So please people, stop land pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is James. I am living from Shengang. I am reporting about land pollution. Here you can see the bed, tires, and a bottle. It is caused about litter and garbage. Please, people, stop pollution. And thank you for your watching. Bye.
Hi, my name is Hansen. I am live from Shengang. I am reported by water pollution. Here you can see the garbage. It is caused by littering. Please people stop the water pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
Anna. I am live from Shengang. I am reporting about water pollution. Here you can see garbage. Is what caused by litter. Please people stop water pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
My name is Gina. I live from Shengang. I'm reporting about land pollution. Here you can see bottles and the trash. It was caused by littering. Please people stop land pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Jenny. I am live from Shengang. I am reporting about water pollution. Here you can see water is dirty. Please people stop water pollution. Thank you.
Oscar. I am live from Shengang. I am reporter about water pollution. Where you can see water pollution. They was kept by Letty. Please people stop littering. Thank you. Goodbye.
My name is Betty. I am live from Shengang. I am reporting about water pollution. Here you can see water pollution. It was caused by litter. Please people stop littering. Thank you. Goodbye.
My name is Grace. I am live from Shengang. I am reporting about water pollution. Here you can see the water is dirty. It was caused by many people's garbage. Please people stop water pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm live from Changhua. I'm reporting about land pollution. Here you can see a garbage on the floor. It was caused by litter. Please people stop pollution and save our world. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Jessica. I am live from Xingang. I am reporting about water pollution. Here you can see the garbage is waste caused by water. Please people stop water pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Amy. I am live from Xingang. I am reporting about water pollution. Here you can see water pollution. It was counted by litter. Please people stop littering. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Nick. I am live from Shengang. I am reporting about noise pollution. Here you can see pollution. It was caused by shout. Please people stop noise pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Bob. I am live from Xingang. I am reporting about land pollution. Here you can see garbage. It was caused by littering. Please people stop land pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
My name is Ben. I am not from Xingang. I am reporting of water pollution. Here you can see water pollution. It was caused by litter. Please people stop pollution. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Cindy. I am from Changhua. I am reporting about water pollution. Here you can see more garbage in the dirty river. It was caused by wastewater. Please people stop water pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
My name is Leo. I live from Xingang. I'm reporting about land pollution. Here you can see garbage. Please, it was caused by littering. Please people stop land pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Monica. I am live from Xingang. I am reporting about litter pollution. Here you can see garbage. He was cast litter pollution. Please people stop litter pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Alan. I am live from Xingang. I am reporting about water pollution. Here you can see garbage. It was caused by water pollution. Please people stop water pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
My name is Tony. I live from Xingang. I am reporting about air pollution. Here you can see smoke. It was caused by the factory. Please people stop air pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Louisa. I am from Xingang. I am reporting about water pollution. Here you can see a light for bottles. It was caused by litters. Please people stop water pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.